If you're heading to Nottingham and need accommodation, Airbnb could be a great way to find the right place to stay. All the accommodation listed on Airbnb has been personally and professionally verified, so you can have peace of mind when booking. Nottingham is getting more and more popular among travelers who would like to visit England. For example, Nottingham is in first place among the top 20 UK destinations that have the most positive reviews on Airbnb. Luxurious home for 7 guests with private driveway. A beautiful Nottingham home located in a quiet, prestigious area, furnished and decorated to a show home standard. Guests will have the whole property to themselves, with a private driveway which will accommodate up to 2 cars, and lovely private garden with a patio and lawn. This luxurious home accommodates up to 7 guests, with 1 queen-size bedroom, 1 double bedroom, 1 twin bedroom with 2 single beds and 1 further bedroom with a single bed. There are 2 full-in suites and also a large family bathroom. Downstairs, guests will enjoy a large kitchen diner, with a fully accessible kitchen, a spacious seating area complete with a wall-mounted TV and a dedicated space for a large dining table. The diner leads out to a lovely well-maintained garden with a patio and lawn, great for the family to enjoy time together with some alfresco dining. Guests will have access to the whole property with no restrictions. The Zone Contemporary Luxe 2-bedroom apartment. Working in the city? Then escape to this contemporary 2-bedroom luxe apartment. With its unrivaled location, within walking distance of the Hockley and Nottingham city centre area. The Zone really is the ultimate abode for those seeking somewhere that is both convenient for work commitments yet still offers an authentic experience of city living. If a good night's sleep is what you need after a long day at work, then this apartment will certainly fill those needs, as the bedrooms here are both modern, comfortable, and have plush double beds offering pockets of peace within the city. The bedrooms are spacious and feature plenty of storage for you to keep your clothes looking fresh. You will feel right at home as you enjoy the open-plan kitchen and living room designed and decorated to the highest standard. It offers enough space for you to create a delicious meal, put your feet up and relax after a long day. Stylish 2-bed penthouse in central West Bridgford. Enjoy a stylish experience in this immaculately presented 2-bed penthouse in the heart of West Bridgford. Views of world-renowned Trent Bridge, Forest and Notts County football ground, and only 2 miles away from the city. Within walking distance, you'll find lots of shops, bars and restaurants and a busy nightlife. This beautiful penthouse offers free on-site parking behind private gates in a peaceful location, yet enough close to everything you'll ever need. Bus stops are also outside the apartment if you prefer to use them. Charming 2-bed apartment in center of Nottingham. Situated just a 15-minute walk from the city centre, this apartment is ideal for either a city break or a central hub to travel. With secure parking, it is easily accessible by road and you can make use of the frequent public transport links to explore the wider area. The apartment is set in Raleigh Bicycle's old factory dating back to the 1800s and is highly finished to a modern standard. The Church House 3-bedroom house plus free parking. Historic 3 double-bedroom house with parking and only a stone's throw from the tram stop. Perfectly located only a stone's throw from the tram stop, this house offers the perfect home away from home and a great base for your visit to Nottingham. This home is ideal for a weekend break to explore Nottingham's fabulous history, bars, restaurants, independent shops and shopping centres, or as a base, whilst working, as it comes with laptop-friendly work surfaces and superfast fibre broadband. This beautifully converted church has a range of original features along with all the modern home comforts that you need. Make the most of this quaint home, only a short while away from Nottingham city centre, situated in a vibrant area within easy reach of all the amenities Nottingham has to offer. This home comes with 3 spacious, cozy double bedrooms with comfortable double beds and quality linen. The fully equipped kitchen comes complete with fridge/freezer and washing machine, as well as an electric oven, hob, microwave, tea/coffee facilities, dining table with chairs and everything you could need to make the most of your stay. A wonderful spiral staircase leads down to the fabulous living room, which is complete with a comfortable sofa, wingback armchairs and a wall-mounted smart TV. If that's not enough, then there is super-fast fibre broadband, laptop-friendly workspace. The newly fitted luxury bathroom comes with a beautiful 3-piece suite, green subway tiled splashbacks, gold fittings and picturesque, printed, parrot-inspired wallpaper. Overall, if you're looking for a place that has it all, the hustle and bustle of a city, the grandeur of centuries-old neighborhoods, the sophistication of culturally rich attractions, and the comfort of inviting picturesque homes, Nottingham is the perfect destination for your next trip. This group of rentals serve as some of the best places to stay in the whole country at the time of this video, so don't miss out, pack your bags, and get ready for the stay of a lifetime. Want to see more top best rentals in the UK and around the world? Just click subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss new videos being posted showing you the best rentals you can visit when you need to take that break you've been waiting for.